Welcome to my new video. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting questions for crypto investors. Why will 2025 be the year of the next big bull run? To answer this, we will take a look at historical data, political and economic factors, and market mechanisms that all point towards an explosive growth phase this year. Before we start, I would really appreciate it if you could show your support for my work by giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel so you won't miss any future updates. And remember, this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Let's start. A key factor supporting the bull run in 2025 is the 4-year crypto cycle, which is closely tied to Bitcoin's halving. Since Bitcoin's invention, we've observed that the markets follow a recurring pattern. In 2013, after the halving in 2012, we experienced the first major bull run, where Bitcoin went from a few $100s to over $1,000. 4 years later, in 2017, the halving in 2016 led to another massive increase, pushing Bitcoin to nearly $20,000. In 2021, after the halving in 2020, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of almost $70,000. The underlying principle is simple. After each halving, the number of new Bitcoins generated is halved, which tightens the supply. This increasingly makes Bitcoin a valuable asset, with its price being driven higher by rising demand. Historically, it typically took 12 to 18 months for the effects of the halving to be fully felt, and this suggests that 2025 could be the next peak year. In addition to these cyclical patterns, external factors also play a significant role. On January 20th, the new U.S. President, Donald Trump, will be inaugurated. Trump has previously expressed strong support for innovation and the crypto world, and many in the crypto community see his return as an opportunity for a more positive regulatory framework. New presidential cycles often stimulate the financial markets, and cryptocurrencies could benefit from this. At the same time, the U.S. Federal Reserve has begun loosening its interest rate policies. After years of rising rates, we could experience a phase where more capital flows into riskier asset classes like cryptocurrencies. Another key point is Bitcoin's dominance. Bitcoin remains the leader of the crypto market, and historically, we first see a rise in Bitcoin before capital flows into altcoins. The so-called altcoin season typically begins when Bitcoin consolidates after an initial price surge. Ethereum, as the oldest and strongest altcoin, plays a crucial role in this process. Once Ethereum starts to rise significantly, many other projects tend to follow, further fueling the altcoin market's momentum. Let's move on. Additionally, institutional acceptance is growing. In 2024, we saw major players like BlackRock and Fidelity enter the market with Bitcoin ETFs. These financial products make it easier for traditional investors to invest in Bitcoin and could trigger an enormous influx of capital. What's especially notable are reports that the U.S. government plans to include Bitcoin in its national reserves. If this happens, it would be a groundbreaking step, as the U.S. would become one of the largest buyers on the market due to its economic power. Such a move would not only have direct effects on Bitcoin's price, but could also trigger a chain reaction. Other major nations might be encouraged to follow suit and include Bitcoin in their national reserves. This would establish Bitcoin as a global store of value and massively strengthen its position in the international financial system. Alongside these crucial economic and political factors, market psychology also plays a decisive role. The network effect, the fact that more and more people are using and understanding cryptocurrencies, adds to the growing demand. At the same time, many crypto projects are advancing rapidly. Ethereum is improving its scalability, various Layer 2 solutions are gaining traction, and new projects are bringing innovative applications to the market. These advancements make cryptocurrencies increasingly accessible to more people and businesses, increasing their long-term growth potential. It's becoming increasingly clear that this technology and the entire market are unstoppable. What was once considered a niche innovation has now evolved into a global movement, the true scale of which we can barely imagine today. It's no longer a question of whether cryptocurrencies will shape the future, but how significant their role will be in that future. All in all, there are many reasons that 2025 will be the year of the next big bull run. The historical data from the 4-year crypto cycle, the political and economic landscape, institutional acceptance, and technological progress create an environment with ideal conditions for explosive price growth. What do you think? Do you also believe that the next big bull run will happen in 2025? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next videos, and feel free to leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content about Bitcoin and the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.